Hello. Am I audible to all of you? Welcome all of you. Please mention whether the audio and video is clear. Hello. Hello. Okay, let us start. So today we are discussing chemical science, civil engineering 2, instrumental engineering. All these subjects had the same general aptitude paper because it was on the same time slot. That is 6th February morning slot. The exam was conducted. So that exams, all those exams had the same question paper. So we are discussing that question paper today. This is the third lecture in the series. The remaining 2 lectures you can find it in the in my in this channel itself. You can find it, or in the playlist of mine is General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. There you can find previous 2 lectures also. And for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I am an author, aptitude trainer, and one of the top educators in Unacademy. More details of mine are given here. And this is the book I have written for CSIR-NET Part A section or CSIR-NET General Aptitude section. Currently, this is a bestseller book available in Amazon and Flipkart. If you are searching for printed study material for CSIR-NET Part A, this is currently the bestseller book. So, and if you want to get regular updates from me regarding my upcoming classes, and if you want to be part of the discussions regarding General Aptitude section, you can be part of my Telegram channel named Christy's Classes. There is a Telegram group also associated with it. You can search it and find it. And if you want to access more free classes of mine, in the description of this video, you can check a link where you can access the special classes in Unacademy. Special classes in Unacademy means complete free classes in Unacademy. There are almost 295 free classes till now I have given in Unacademy free platform. All of them, to access it, you just have to check the link in the description of this video. And if you are new to Unacademy platform, you have to give a mobile number and you can just get the OTP, and that is enough to register. And to watch the first video, if you are accessing for the first time, you need an invite code. This referral code itself can be used as invite code to access the free classes. All the free classes can be accessed by the single invite code itself. And if you want to access the full course or paid course, that also you can access by this referral code. But paid course, with this referral code, you will get 10% discount. Invite code, the free classes you can just completely access without any payment itself. In the description of this video, you can see more details. CC10 or CC10Live, both these referral codes are applicable to access the free classes or the full courses. And if you want to access the more free classes in YouTube channel of Unacademy, my playlist is General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. You can see all the previous videos in this playlist, General Aptitude with Christy Varghese. And these are my full courses. Before starting the lecture, I'll just mention the full courses also. These are the 2 full courses I have launched in Unacademy. One is for General Aptitude, that's a 3-month course at 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. And there is a booster course for Basic Math and Vedic Maths. Those of you who are interested to learn that also can be part of this course. And these 2 courses are full courses. That means you can take plus subscription to access these courses. And these are the prices for the plus subscription. And once you apply the referral code CC10, this will be the price that you have to pay after the discount. And if you have any referrals, any credits available in your Unacademy profile, that will give you more discount. As I told, those details also are given in the description of this video. And this is how you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. And new students, there is an Accelerate series also Unacademy is conducting on Sundays. Tomorrow there will be Accelerate series. Physical science, chemical science also students can access it, I guess. So you can check the details in the Unacademy mobile application. You can see the details of that also. Okay, so that is the intro. So let us start the lecture. Today we are discussing, as I told, chemical science and engineering stream also. But CSIR aspirants, For you people, this is a chemical science set. Again, for practice, this is equally useful for all the science streams. So try this question, first question, all of you. In the Unacademy platform, we have discussed many of these questions just after exam, but at that time we didn't got the exact question paper. Memory based questions we discussed. Now we got the exact question paper in the official website. It is available, so it is more easy to discuss now. So post your answers. Good evening, Bhavani, Deepanjali, listen. So post your answers if you got any. Liston got option D. Anyone else? Okay, so I'll start explaining. Verbal ability problem, very simple problem. Superlative degree, comparative degree, basic form, those you have learned in school days. Getting to the top is dash than. The word than itself is the clue. Than means comparative degree. So the word should be comparative degree. So it is easier than. Easiest is superlative, that is wrong. Easier is the answer. More easy, that is double comparative, that is wrong. Double comparative means more is also comparing. And more easy, the problem is with easy, more is not the comparative. Tall, it is taller. More is used with some words. For example, wonderful, it is not wonderfuler. More wonderful. Or beautiful, more beautiful. With those kinds of words, more is used. And this easy, it is easier only. So easier is the answer, because that is the comparative form of the word easy. And we are comparing getting to the top and staying on top. These two things we are comparing. That is why comparative form. So very simple problem. Let us go to the next question. Non-verbal ability, spatial geometry, or we can say symbol sequence problem, mirror image problem. Simple question. This was asked in multiple question papers. Even in the physics question paper also a similar question was there. Try it and post your answers. So, any answers? So, start explaining. The mirror image of the above text about the x-axis. This is the x-axis. About the x-axis means mirror image like this. That means consider x-axis as the mirror. If x-axis is the mirror, how will the image look like? So definitely, if x-axis is the mirror, it should be like upside down, like looking into the water. Like if there is a water like this, and if you are looking inside it, how you see the mirror image. So you can check the answer option. All the options P mirror image is shown same itself. So the different mirror images check. For example, E. How is E mirror image? This is clearly wrong. Around x-axis, it should be like this, something like this. That is E mirror image. Upside down also it will look the same itself, because E is, we can say, vertically they are symmetric. In the mirror image case, it is symmetric only. So E should be like this. This is true. So option D can be eliminated. Or you can just draw each of it, but I am just eliminating options. L is looking same. G, how G is looking? Look at G. So in the mirror image, G will be upside down. Upside down means option A is wrong, because here the direction is also changing, left to right also. That is wrong. This is okay, this is okay. So option B or C only can be answered in that perspective. Now N is different in both the cases. Remaining two options, these two options are eliminated. N is different in these two options. So how should N look like? So it should be N in the mirror image. It will be rotated and it will look something like this. I hope that is also clear to all of you. So which option says so? Option B says so. So option B is the correct answer, because here it is not that what we can say, mirror image of N is not correct. That itself eliminate option C. So option B is the correct answer. I hope that is clear to all of you why option B is the answer. Yes, now I couldn't see your messages, sorry. Now you people have posted the answer. Okay, I thought you were confused. That is why I was explaining more. It is a very straightforward question. It will be option B. All the cases you can see. Yeah, due to lack of time I am not drawing it. You can draw it upside down. When you draw it, it will be something like this. A will be something like this. N will be something like this. G will be like this, and L will be like this, and E will be like this. This will be the mirror image. So option B satisfies it. So option B is the answer. Let us go to the next question. Venn diagram related problem. All of you try this, please. I'll just come in a minute. All of you try this. Okay, this time got option C. We'll explain. In a company, 35% of the employees drink coffee, 40% of the employees drink tea, and 10% of the employees drink both tea and coffee. What percent of the employees drink neither tea nor coffee? You can either use the Venn diagram and understand the situation. 35% drink coffee. So if this is the drinking coffee circle and this is the drinking tea circle, 10% drink both. That means this is where that 10% will belong to. So neither tea or coffee is the question. That means this area is our required unknown. What else is told? 35% drink coffee. So coffee 35% means that can have this intersection also. That means coffee only people will be 25%. Why? 25 plus 10, 35 total. And tea percentage is 40% means tea only drinking people will be 30%. So this represents all the things together, and it is percentage means total percentage should be 100. From this, neither tea nor coffee means there are three group of people. No drink drinking people, no drink people, one drink drinking people, both the drink drinking people. These three added up, you should get 100%. No drink is our unknown X. One drink drinking people, how many are there? Coffee only drinking people and tea only drinking people. That is the meaning of one drink drinking people. That is 25% plus 30%, 55%. And what is what we can say? Both drinking people, that is 10%. So 10%, not X, 10%. So adding it up, you should get 100 means X percentage plus 55% plus 10% is 100 means clearly X percentage is 35%. Again, I am just explaining with respect to the Venn diagram. Without Venn diagram also you can do it. Just to make you familiar with Venn diagram perspective, I just gave this. Anyway, answer will be 35%. Without Venn diagram, how you can do? You can just think in your head itself. We want neither tea nor coffee. Logically, you can think like this. 35 coffee, 40 tea. 35 plus 40, total 75% is there. But the problem is in that 75%, 10% is repetition. In this 35 also that 10 is there. In this 40 also that is 10 is there. But 10 should be there only one time. Na? So 2 times it is added, so you have to subtract 1 time to get the distinct number of people or distinct percentage. That means 65%. These are the people who are present there. That means people who are drinking at least one drink. So total 100% is there. What is remaining? 35%. They are the people who don't drink any drink. Na? That means 35. This is the logical perspective. This is the Venn diagram perspective. Both are fine. Yes listed. So that is why 35% is the answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Again, those people who join late, this is the question paper of 6th February morning, forenoon batch. Chemical science and civil engineering, instrumental engineering all had the same question paper. So try this question. This kind of question, 2 questions were there in the same set. Very basic school level question only this is. Try it and post your answers, all of you. Liston got option B. Any other answers? All of you try it, please. Okay, I'll start explaining. So there are 2 operations defined here. Like in a circle, I will just call any symbol. Plus symbol I am calling, but the definition, meaning of plus is not the usual plus. It is just a symbol defined or a operation defined. Like multiplication, division, a new operation is defined. What is the meaning of that circle plus? Yeah, you can call digit sum or whatever name you want. So this operation is actually squaring first number plus second number by dividing and dividing by the product of the numbers. That is what is happening there. Sum of squares divided by product of the numbers. And the second operation, dot inside the circle, is square of the first number divided by second number. If so, if the question is saying that x plus y by this definition equal to 2, that dot 2, then what is x? X and y we don't know, but 2 and 2 we know how to operate it because you know the rule. What is the rule? 2 dot 2 means what? 2 dot 2 means first number square divided by second number. First number square divided by second number means 2 square divided by 2. That is the meaning of this. So 2 dot 2 can be written as 2 square by 2 because p square by q, that is 2 square by 2. First number square by second number. 2 square by 2 means what? 2. That means we can rewrite this as x plus y equal to 2. That means x circle y equal to 2. And what is x circle y means? What is x circle y means? First number square, that is x square, plus second number square, y square, divided by x into y, product of the numbers. That means we can finally write x square plus y square divided by xy equal to 2. This is what you have to solve. How you can solve this? If you solve this, you will get x square plus y square equal to 2 cross multiplied xy cross multiplied with 2xy. 2xy means you can take 2xy to the left side, x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus 2xy plus y square equal to 0. Yeah, you can relate it to something you already learned in school days. X square minus 2xy plus y square is clearly x minus y the whole square, na? A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b the whole square. So x minus y the whole square equal to 0. That is what you are getting. A number square is 0 means the number is also 0 for sure. That means x minus y is also 0. X minus y is 0 means x should be equal to y. What is the value of x is the question. X is equal to y. So that is told by option B. So option B is the answer. I hope that is clear to all of you. Please mention if that is clear to all of you. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Try the next question. Logical reasoning seating arrangement problem. Try this. Yes, previous question is clear. The audio, video and the screen is also clear, na? Please mention. The slides and all are clear, I guess. Day before yesterday we have a problem with the resolution of the image because it was a screenshot of not a high resolution image. This time I have taken the, now yesterday GATE have published the official answer key, so they have published the question paper also. So now the image should be clear, I guess. It is clear. Okay. So try this. Okay, Liston got option C as the correct answer. Yeah, it's kind of a permutation combination problem itself. Very simple. Once you understood the question correctly, it is simple. Okay, I will start explaining. 4 persons PQRS are to be seated in a row. 4 persons means 4 factorial, 24 possibilities are there if there is no other conditions. But there are some conditions given in the question. All facing the same direction but not necessarily in the same order. P and R cannot sit adjacent to each other. P and R cannot sit adjacent to each other. S should be seated to the right of Q. So that we will take care first. S should be seated to the right of Q. So S right of Q means, we'll just write it here. Q here, S can be here. Number of distinct, again right of Q is mentioned, number of distinct arrangements possible. P and R cannot sit adjacent to each other is also mentioned. P and R cannot be adjacent to each other means P here means R can be here. That is a valid arrangement. Let us try to list out the possibility, because looking at the answer option, it is not a huge number. So listing out itself is possible. Listing out is possible. So PQSR is satisfying that. S is seated to the right of Q is satisfied. And P and R are not sitting adjacent also is satisfied. Now what else is possible? R and P can interchange their position. RP can be like this also and QS like this. That is also valid. There also P and R are not sitting adjacent to each other, and S is right of Q. S is right of Q means S and Q can be a single thing. That way you can interpret it. So there are other possibilities for that. What are the other possibilities for that? One second. Yeah. One thing you should understand is S should be seated to the right of Q does not say that immediate right of Q. It can be right anywhere right. That is the meaning. Anywhere right means second right of Q is also valid. It is not called immediate right. Immediate right means this is the only possibility. So S can be one place after also is possible. Yes, listen. For example, this PQSR itself, P here and Q here, R here, S here. Here also S is to the right of Q, and P and R are not adjacent also. Same way, this variation of this, we can say R here, Q here, P here and S here. Here also, this is also a valid condition that R and P are not adjacent, and we have made S right to the Q. Now the thing is that the Q can take the next position. What is the next position Q can take? Q taking this position, Q taking first position is also possible. First position means Q can be here. So S should be here only so that P and R can have a space in between. QPSR is possible. QPSR is possible means QRSP is also possible. QRSP is also possible. So these are the 6 possibilities. I hope all of you understood. I will again summarize it one more time. S right of Q means S can be right of Q in 2 ways. One space apart or just immediate right. Both are possible. 2 space apart. Sorry. 2 people in between is not possible because then P and R will be adjacent, sitting next to each other. That is not possible. One second. Sitting next to each other is not possible. That is why Q can be immediate right of, S can be immediate right of Q, or S can be one seat aside. That means like this is possible, like this is also possible. Now Q and S together means P and R can interchange their position too. So 2 varieties. Q and S next one seat aside means there are PR like this, RP like this. Now that seat can be second and fourth also. QS case. They are PR like this, RP like this. Total 6 possibilities. So option C, 6 is the answer. Here you can use the factorial idea also, but that will be more time consuming. That is why listing out itself is enough, because the numbers are small. That is the reason. So try the next question. Verbal ability problem. This was a 2-mark question, I guess. Some 2-mark questions were not worthy of 2 marks. In the question paper I saw, this was a 2-mark question. I am not very sure whether it was 2 mark or not. Anyway, try this. It is a very simple question anyway. Liston got option B. All of you try please. Okay, so I'll start explaining. Statement is saying either P marries Q or X marries Y. So there are two possibilities. Either P marries Q or the person X marries the person Y. Among the options below, the logical negation of the above statement. In school days, there was a chapter called Mathematical Reasoning. In 10th class NCERT textbook that was there. I think most of you may have studied that. Either NCERT or other textbook also may have a similar chapter in school days itself. There we learned what is negation, what is converse, what is contrapositive, what is reverse. All those things we have learned. So negation means, for example, it is raining now. Negation is it is not raining now. Simple case. So here P marries Q negation. What is P marries Q negation? Not P marries Q. That means P does not marry Q. Negation of X marries Y is what? Not X. Yeah, not can be notated by this symbol. Whatever symbol. So not X marries Y. But we want the negation of the above statement. Entire statement means P should not marry Q, X should not marry Y also. That means neither P marries Q nor X marries Y. Neither nor means not itself. In English, neither nor usage you already know. So that is why option B is the answer. Now in case if any other options you have confusion, I will just mention the other options very fast. P does not marry Q and X marries Y. Here X marries Y is not negation. It is the same thing itself. If this is statement Q or statement B, you should take not B, and if this is statement A, not A or not A and not B, then only it will be negation. So option A is wrong because second part negation is not there. X does not marry Y and P marries Q. P marries Q again. P marries Q, negation is not established. So option C is wrong. P marries Q and X marries Y. Negation is not established in both the cases. That is why option D is also wrong. So only option B can be correct. I hope it is clear to all of you. If so, let us try the next question. Try this question, please. This was an interesting question. Try this. Geometry problem. Kind of a spatial geometry itself. All of you try this. I will upload an image to make you understand easily. Let you try it. Hello Shrikant. Any answers? Christian got option B. It's a lengthy question, read it and try to post your answers in the chat. question is saying that there are two papers of size 6 by 4. M and N are the two papers, but it is folded in two different ways. That is what the question is saying. Two different ways. What are the two ways? I will explain, Diva, don't worry. Just if you are doubt, don't worry, I will explain. One second, I'm just trying to upload and draw an image so that it will be clear to all of you. Okay. So now it will be visible like this. Yeah, this is the idea. Question is saying that consider two rectangular sheets, sheet M and sheet N. Now you can just think about a paper of 6 by 4 dimension. So folding operation 1. Operation 1, the speciality is sheet is folded into half by joining short edges of the current shape. And on sheet M, operation 1 is carried 3 times. So that I will explain. Operation 1 is carried 3 times on sheet M. This is the meaning of it. Initially it was 6 by 4 dimension. This is 6 and this is 4. Which is a shorter side? Which is a shorter side? 4 is the shorter side. Folded among shorter side means what will happen? Like this you are folding. Like this folding means the shape will become 3 by 4. This will be folded like this. That is the meaning. Because this is a shorter side. Along the shorter side you are folding. Please respond. So 3 by 4. Then again, yeah, that is a tricky part. Next thing, again you are folding on the shorter side. So this is the first folding. Second folding is, which is the present shorter side? 3 or 4? 3 is the shorter side. So you have to fold in this direction only. Along the shorter side only you can fold. Along the shorter side you are folding means you will fold it like this and the image will become 4 will become 2 and 3 will be remaining 3 itself. 3 by 2. And then folding again on the shorter side itself. This is a shorter side 2. So the folding will happen in this direction only. That means 2 will remain 2 itself. 3 will become 1.5 because it is folded half. Again, think about a paper like this. Shorter side is this. You are folding it like this. Now the shorter side is this. So you have to fold it like this only. Again, now the shorter side is this. So you have to fold it like this only. So the final arrangement will be 1.5 here, 2 here. So 1.5, 2 will be the dimension of the paper or this shape M in the end. Initially it was 6 by 4. Finally M will become 1.5 by 2. 1.5 by 2. I think that is clear to all of you. Now you have to think about the folding of paper N or sheet N. Sheet N is folding using operation 2. What is operation 2? The sheet is folded into half by joining the long edges. Instead of short edges, it is long edges. And on the end, it is done 3 times. Carried out 3 times. Operation 2 is carried out 3 times. So operation 2 is carried out 3 times means this is the idea. This is paper N. 6 by 4 is the dimension. So if you think practically, operation 2 one time, operation 2 second time, operation 2 third time. If this is the case, longer side is this. Folded along longer side means this will be the picture. Or if I am showing it like this. Like this. Now again longer side is this only. Shorter side means you have to think about the other side. But this is longer side itself, so folding like this. Again longer side means folding like this. 3 times folding. 3 times folding means only that 4 is getting halved all the time. This 4 will become 2 after 1 folding. 2 will become 1 after 1 folding. 1 will become 0.5 or half after the third folding. 6 will remain 6 itself all the 3 times. So 6 by 4 sheet will become 6 by 2 sheet. That will become 6 by 1 sheet. That will become 6 by 0.5 sheet. So the paper N is 1.5 into 2 dimension and the paper N is 6 times 0.5 dimension. What is the question? The ratio of perimeters of the final folded shape of sheet N to the final folded shape of sheet M. N is to M finally. N is to M finally means 6.5, 6.5, that are the four sides. It's a rectangle. Perimeter of that rectangle will be what? 2 times L plus B, or you can say 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, 13 will be the perimeter of N. Perimeter of N will be 13, adding up the boundaries, or 2 times length plus breadth, 13. And here, in the case of M, what it will be? 1.5, 2, 1.5, 2. So 1.5, 1.5, 3, 2 plus 2 is 4. For 2 times 2 plus 1.5, both ways you can do. So 4 plus 3, 7 will be the perimeter. Perimeter of M will be 7. We want M by N or N by M. That you should read it carefully. N by M, perimeter of N divided by perimeter of M is what you need to find. That is 13 by 7. 13 by 7 means 13 is to 7. Option A is the correct answer. 13 is to 7. I hope it is clear to all of you. Option A, 13 is to 7. If that is clear, let us go to the next question. Try the next question, all of you. Another geometry problem. Try this. In CSIR also, in the latest question paper, this question was there. Liston got option A. Priyanka got option A. Okay, so I'll start explaining. 5 line segments of equal length PR, PS, QS, QT and RT are used to form a star as shown in the above figure. The value of theta in degrees is. So 5 line segments means if you join this line segment externally like this, you will get a pentagon, and not only a pentagon, it's a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means a pentagon with all the sides equal. Pentagon with all the sides equal is called a regular pentagon. And for a regular pentagon, yeah, I have discussed this multiple times in my free classes, and tomorrow we will be discussing this theory in detail in the 11 o'clock free class. So all of you are welcome to attend the 11 o'clock free class, where I will be explaining all these geometrical concepts in detail. Pentagon sum of interior angle is 540. Sum of interior angle is 540 means if it is a regular pentagon, this is a regular pentagon, all the angles should be equal. So all the angles should be 540 by 5. One angle will be 1/5 of 540, that is 108 degree. That is how we understood that all the angles of this pentagon is also 108 degree, because it is regular. Regular means all the sides are equal. Why it is regular? How we can say it? Because PR, PS, QS, QT, RT are equal. That is why all these angles are 108, means this is also 108. Angle P is also 108. Angle P is 108 means as these interior lines are also equal, it is trisecting it, we can say. It is trisecting it. That means this is theta, this is theta, this is also theta. That means theta will be nothing but 108 by 3. 1/3 of 108. 1/3 of 108 is 36 degree. So option A, 36 is the answer. There are many interpretations for the same question. You can do this question in different ways. Whichever way you prefer, you can do accordingly. Whichever way you do, you will get the same answer only. So I hope that is clear to all of you. You can use circle theorems also. If you join this PQRST using arc length, you will get a circle. With that circle, you can see the central angle, this angle theorem also you can use. You can find this is 72 degree by using the idea vertically opposite angles are equal, and this angle you can use the triangle 180 degree property. Whichever way you do, you will get the same answer. So it's up to you which way you do this question. So anyway, 36 degree will be the answer. 108 by 3. And to remember pentagon 108, if you want to learn all the polygons, sum of interior angles, this is a shortcut formula. N minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of angles or number of sides, which both are equal obviously. For example, triangle, you know sum of interior angle is 180. Using this property, we can verify it. Triangle, 3 sides or 3 angles are there. Na? So it is 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. 3 minus 2 into 180 is 180 itself. For a square, you know it is 360 degree. Square have 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 360 itself. Yeah, for triangle, square, rectangle are easy, but pentagon, hexagon, this formula will help you a lot. Hexagon, 6 sides. 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, 720 degree. Heptagon, 7 sides. 7 minus 2 into 180 degree, when you do, you will get 900 degree. And if it is a regular pentagon, yeah, you can derive it. If you want, you can write it a little more, what we can say, improvised formula, that n minus 8 into 180 degree by n will be the angle of a regular polygon. Each angle of a regular polygon will be n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. Why by n? The number of angles or number of sides. Pentagon, sum of interior angle divided by 5 you did to find each angles. Na? That way also you can interpret this formula. So anyway, whichever way you will get, sum of interior angle is 540 and 108 is each angle of this pentagon. So 1/3 of 108, 36 is the answer. So try the next question. This is similar to the question we discussed earlier. Try this, all of you. Deepa got option B. Okay, Priyanka also option B, Liston also option B. So I will start explaining then. So the function lambda is relations and functions in school days you have learned. So same idea itself, basic question only. So a function lambda is defined by lambda pq equal to p minus q the whole square if p greater than or equal to q, p plus q if p less than q. So only after knowing whether p is less than q or greater than q, you can apply this. P means first number, q means second number. Here the first number is minus of 3 plus 2, second number is minus 2 plus 3. So I will explain that number. First we will simplify. Lambda minus of minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1 only. So that is 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is also 1 only. So lambda 1 by 1 is the numerator. And what is the denominator? Denominator will be 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1 only. That is 1 only in the denominator. That means lambda 1 is the question. Now lambda 1 means p is 1, q is 1. When p and q are equal, what to do? When p and q are equal or greater, both the cases, p minus q the whole square is the rule you have to apply. P minus q the whole square means first number minus second number the whole square divided by 1 itself, because this 1. So 1 minus 1 the whole square is 0 square by 1, 0 itself. Option B. I have explained elaborately in case non-mathematical background students should not have a confusion. That is why I explained elaborately. It is a very basic things only. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Sanjana, you can search Christy's classes. That is a Telegram group. You can just search it and find it in Telegram. So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. Comprehension problem, verbal ability. Try this, all of you. Yes, listen, thank you. Try this. I will give you 1 minute. All of you try. Any answers? After you post the answer, I will start the explanation. Sanjana got option A. Liston got option C. Priyanka got option C, Deepa got option C. Okay, so I will explain. Humans have the ability to construct worlds entirely in their minds, which does not exist in the physical world. That means we can imagine, I think most of you do that we an imaginary world of us itself, which may not exist at all, but yeah, there is a TV series that is running now. Maybe you people are watching that also, WandaVision TV series. So there actually it is existing also, but in human beings, like we also can imagine that we are in an imaginary world, which may not be correct with respect to the physical world, but that is possible. So as far as we know, that is very important phrase here, that gives you the indication to the correct answer. No other species, no other species. It is saying no species. It is not saying no species. It is saying no other species. No other species means no other species other than this human beings possesses this ability. This skill is so important that we have different words to refer to its different flavors. So this skill of human beings, we have different words to refer the skill. What all are the words? Such as imagination, invention, innovations. All these are words to refer the different flavors of this imagination, or the ability of humans to imagine in this way. Based on the above passage, which one of the following is true? Let us take option by option. No species possess the ability to construct worlds in their mind. Two reasons are there for that not to be the answer. First of all, it's an absolute statement saying that with 100% surety no species possess the ability. As far as we know itself is a word that is taking a bail that it may be correct, that as of our knowledge now, no species. Again, the second reason, option A, is wrong. It is told no other species. No other species means human beings possess such ability. So human beings is one of the species now. So no species means it is saying that human beings also does not possess. So definitely that is wrong now. So option A is wrong. That is the reason. So option B, the terms imagination, invention and innovation refer to unrelated skills. No, nowhere it is told. They are related, different flavors of the same skill. So definitely option B is wrong. Option C, we do not know of any other species other than humans. No other species as far as we know. Maybe our knowledge is wrong, but we do not know it. That is true. Yes, less than, may be true, may not be true. Who possess the ability to construct mental worlds? Yes. Any other species means other than human beings, any other species. That is clearly mentioned here. So that option C is correct. Just for understanding, let us analyze option D also. Imagination, invention and innovation are unrelated to the ability to construct mental worlds. No, it is related. It are different. They are the different words to refer the different flavors of the same thing. So definitely they are related to the ability to construct mental worlds. So option B is also wrong. Unrelated, wrong. It is related. The only option that makes sense is option C. It is simple with respect to the answer option. Comprehension problem this time asked in all the question papers of 2021 was comparatively simple. Some passages were difficult, but the options were so simple. Here also the options are simple, comparatively simple. It's a 2-mark question. So for a 2-mark question, it's a simple question only. I hope it is clear. All the 10 questions in the set, as I told, we are today discussing chemical science. I want to ask an opinion from all of you. Today we are discussing chemical science, civil engineering to instrumental engineering question paper. I am telling about engineering stream also, because if any of your engineering stream students or siblings who want to watch these solutions, you can refer them also, because all these 3 subjects had the same question paper. GATE exam is conducted for almost 30 plus subjects. So this 30 plus subjects is distributed in, this time it was 8 slots, morning, afternoon, forenoon, afternoon, 8 slots was there. Okay, I want to know an opinion from all of you. Tomorrow there will be free class just like this, tomorrow 5:30 p.m. The next set of question paper, most probably I will be taking physical science question paper, physical science and other subjects on the same pattern, same time slot. And tomorrow 11 o'clock we have a very important lecture, flashcard series, which we conducted today morning. The continuation of that will be conducted tomorrow. The batch already started. Ecology not finished list, and ecology, yeah, that is what I want to know. I want to know whether after tomorrow, whether we want to continue this series or not, because right now I think some students GATE exam is over, so they are preparing for CSIR more. So yes, Kapil, mathematical science, all the subjects, that courses available. So like to know what you want in this YouTube live series in the March month, because tomorrow is the last lecture in the February month. Whether you need continuation of this GATE paper analysis or whether you need any other particular request is there, let me know, so that in the March month we can plan accordingly. Kapil, I have told, we have started last week the new plus course. You can join. So CSIR PYQs. Okay, Sanjana. CSIR PYQs will try to start a series in the March month in YouTube also. Okay, Kapil. Definitely you can improve, Kapil. Just attend classes regularly. CSIR concepts. Okay, Deepa. Any other suggestion? Tomorrow we will have GATE paper analysis. After tomorrow, let me see. Maybe we will conclude GATE paper analysis classes for the time being, because now the CSIR students are mainly into CSIR actually for the upcoming CSIR exam. Maybe after upcoming CSIR exam, we will continue the GATE series for the upcoming GATE exam, like February 2022. Okay, listen. Any other suggestion? Yeah, I will just show you the details of the upcoming class also. Kapil, yeah, GATE, actually there are many books available in the market. I haven't published any book for GATE, Kapil, but GATE there are many books available. I have given a previous class on books for GATE, books for CSIR. In the YouTube channel itself you can search it. 1 second. Sanjana, flashcard series is not in YouTube, it is in the Unacademy free platform. In the description of this video you can have the link to attend that free class. Today 11 AM class was there, that link is available as a recording, and tomorrow 11 AM will be the next lecture. I will share you the details of that lecture also. Tomorrow 11 o'clock is the timing. Second, I'm just copying it. Yeah, this is the details of the tomorrow's class. Yeah, today we have conducted this lecture February 27. The second lecture in the series will be February 28, that is tomorrow. And to access that class, if you are new to Unacademy, you can go to the description and get the link to attend this class. And if you are new to Unacademy, you may need an invite code. The invite code is CC10 itself. Either through website or through mobile application you can access it. And yeah, those of you asked me about plus courses of CSIR-NET General Aptitude. CSIR-NET General Aptitude full course, this is the current full course available. Complete course on General Aptitude for CSIR-NET 2021. It's a 3-month course which started two weeks before, and the complete syllabus of CSIR-NET Part A will be covered in detail. It's a complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions, shortcut methods, tips and tricks for CSIR-NET Part A section, and notes will be available as PDF, and there will be doubt clearing session after every 3 classes. And this course is equally useful for life science students, mathematical science students, chemical science students, physical science students, and earth science CSIR-NET aspirants. There will be 60 lectures and each lecture will be 1.5 hour duration. So total 90 hours we will be discussing this lecture. The timing, discussing this course. The timing is 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and you can see the complete schedule here. The first 6 classes or 8 classes almost, 6 classes are actually introductory classes where I will be explaining the shortcut methods to do CSIR-NET General Aptitude and tips and tricks for General Aptitude preparation and General Aptitude at the time of exam. And then topic by topic, numbers, laws of exponents, last digit of power, numerical ability, number sequence, letter sequence, symbol sequence, data interpretation. Data interpretation is the next chapter we'll be discussing day after tomorrow. Then Venn diagram, coding, decoding, relationship type problem, sequential ordering, statement related problem, truth or lie related problem, logical reasoning problem, finding the X chapter, monetary problem, average, mixtures, probability, permutation, combination or arrangement or selection, geometry, mensuration, distance and direction, speed, distance and time, boats, trains and streams, and clock and time, calendar problem, and general science. And the last 5 lectures will be devoted for giving you practice from all the chapters before the exam to give you more confidence. So this is the complete schedule of my full course, and if you are new you need plus subscription for accessing this, and as I told, this is the plus subscription charges. You can take 1 month or 3 month or 6 month, whichever month subscription as per your requirement. And you can access not only my classes, you can access the subject educators courses also by the single subscription of Plus or Iconic. Iconic subscription is actually Plus subscription benefits plus some more features offered by Unacademy, like personalized doubt clearance by a separate team, and there will be an individual coach for you and all. And Plus or Iconic, you can use this subscription code CC10 to get 10% off. Okay Prasad, so happy to know. And once you apply this referral code, you will get 10% off, and this will be the price available. And once you apply this credits available, that will give you more discount. So that is about the Plus courses and Plus subscription and the full courses. So any other doubts you have, you can ask. Otherwise we can conclude the lecture here. Tomorrow 5:30 p.m. we will be meeting again. Any doubts anyone have, please ask. This is the other course that I am offering. Those of you who want to learn Vedic maths from me, this is the course you can attend. In the Plus subscription, this course is also added. It's a 2-month course. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the live course timing. Recording you can watch anytime. And this is the complete schedule of that course. 46 lectures of 1.5 hours. I will be discussing all the basic math concept that you want to brush up, or to how to be fast in arithmetic. That is a major objective of this course. This also is available in the CSIR category itself by taking Plus or Iconic subscription. So if there is no other doubt, let's conclude the lecture here. Thank you all for attending this lecture. As I told, try my lectures in Unacademy platform also. This is my profile name in Unacademy. Christy Varghese is the profile name. You can find it in the description of this video. You can get the link. So thank you all for attending. Share this video to all your friends and let your friends know about tomorrow 11 a.m. class. All the things you need to remember in General Aptitude, I will be teaching topic by topic in this flashcard series. And you will be getting that flashcard screenshot also. You can take and practice it later. So thank you all. Take care all of you. Bye-bye.